Hi, this is Mr. Coffee, and today we're going to talk about division of polynomials. There are two different ways to divide polynomials: long division and synthetic division. When the divisor is a first degree polynomial such as x minus 2 or x plus 5, there's a convenient shorthand method of division called synthetic division. Now, one thing to caution is remember that when synthetic division can only be used when the divisor is x minus c, so it must be a first degree polynomial. So we're going to demonstrate how we do that then. So when you're using synthetic division, the first thing you do is you take the divisor and you find the value of c. So in this case, our value of c would equal -3 because it's in the form of x minus c. So we'll put -3 here, and we're going to put this little symbol here, which is kind of like a half of a square. And then we're going to list along here, we're going to list the coefficients of the dividend. So 1, 5, 6, -1, 4, and 29. Okay? And then we'll leave some space here, and then we're going to put basically a horizontal line. So when we're doing this, the first thing we do with our synthetic division is we're going to take the 1 here, this first number, coefficient, and we're just going to bring it down here. So we'll start out and put a 1 here. Then we're going to be doing some multiplication and addition from here on out then. So what we do now is we're going to take -3 and 1, we're going to multiply them, and then we're going to put that answer here. So this would be -3 times 1 is -3. And then we combine them. 5 plus a -3 is 2. All right, and then we're going to repeat that process until we're finished. So we're going to take -3 times 2, and that's going to go here. So that would be -6. We add them together. 6 plus -6 is 0. And then we're just going to keep going with that process. So -3 times 0 is 0. Combine them, we get -1. -3 times -1 is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. And then -3 times 7 is -21. So we combine them and we get 8. Now when we're dividing here, we have a 5th degree polynomial divided by a 1st degree polynomial, which is going to result in a 4th degree. So we're going to start out, we have 1x to the 4th power plus 2x cubed, and there's no x squared term, and then minus x and plus 7. And then we have this number here is always our remainder that we get, and so we express our remainder as a fraction, so 8 over x plus 3, so it's over our divisor. Okay, and that's the process of synthetic division. Now I do want to show you another example here, just to set it up of it so you understand there's a little trick that happens sometimes when you're dividing, that if it's missing a term, what you have to do. So in this problem here, x cubed minus x plus 7 divided by x minus 5, once again, first we'll recognize c is equal to 5. So we'll put 5 here. And then we have a coefficient of x cubed of 1. But now there's no x squared term, and because there's no x squared term, I'm going to put a 0 there to represent that place. And I'll put -1 for the coefficient of x and 7. And then we would go ahead and after that, we just go through the process of same process we did up above to solve that one, and that is synthetic division.